Hi friends, in this video we'll discuss columns option in Sqoop. So using columns option you can import the required columns from the using Sqoop from a RDBMS. Okay, we'll see one example. So this is a Sqoop script. Sqoop import connector JDBC connection, username, password, table, employee table. I want to import employee table, and in that I don't want to import all the columns. So you want to fetch the particular columns. So then we have columns option. Columns. So employee number, salary, job. These three columns only I want to import. Okay. That time we can use a columns option. For these kind of requirements we can use columns option. Then what is target? Target is a target directory Sqoop for 5 I am giving. So it is started executing. So we'll so it is completed. So if now we'll see iPhone ls Sqoop 5. Part file. So we'll open one part file, hdfs dfs hyphen cat. So see, we have imported only employee number, salary, job, right? So three columns only we can see in the output. Similarly, in the same way, along with the columns option, we can filter where clause also you can implement. So this is the where columns option, right? Here again you can add hyphen where clause, where single quotation salary greater than or less than 3000. That also you can implement. Okay, there is no limit. You can implement columns, where clause, everything at a time also. So it is completed. Now if we can see output, see here, salary less than 3000, only 800, like that it came. So in this way we can implement columns option and where clause in a Sqoop.